In our last class, we had started with the chapter Albert Einstein at school, and I had already summarized the chapter with you along with its theme. Now I'm sharing the same chapter on your screen, and we are going to read it along with the book. Whenever you are reading the books, the chapters, also ये जो आपके ऊपर बॉक्स दिया हुआ है, काइंडली ऑल्सो मेक नोट दैट ये जो आपने जो बॉक्सेस वगैरह दिए हुए हैं इनको भी आप लोग पढ़ते हो. दिस इज बिकॉज नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू pattern, you may be asked a question from the box also that may not be inside your chapter or poem, but that may be there in the box. In अब जो सीबीएसई ने अब जो नया निकाला है उसके अकॉर्डिंग इट विल बी इट इज वन ऑफ द वे टू असेस योर रीडिंग. Albert Einstein, regarded as the greatest physicist since Newton, means after Newton, he is said to be one of the greatest. In the following extract from The Young Einstein, this is the name of the book, the well known biographer Patrick Pringle describes the circumstances which led to Albert's expulsion from a German school. That means in your one marker question you may be asked कि which school he was studying, मतलब was it a Swiss school, was it a German school? So this may be one of the question. And this particular extract has been taken from The Young Einstein. And the writer is Patrick Pringle. In what year, Einstein, as a history teacher, did the Prussians defeat the French at Waterloo? He was very blunt. That is Einstein. I don't know, sir. Why don't you know? You have been told it often enough. आपको तो कितनी बार समझाते हैं. I must have forgotten. सर मैं भूल गया हूँगा. Did you ever try to learn? ठीक है भूल गए. याद करने की कोशिश की थी. The teacher was angry. And the name of the teacher is Mr. Braun. Because there are two teachers who will be there in the name. No, sir. Albert replied with his usual unthinking honesty. No. No, sir. Now, what is this usual unthinking honesty says? Means he was very abrupt. That shows that he was very abrupt. वो बिल्कुल abrupt था. Without thinking he would मतलब कि honestly answer. I can't see any point in learning dates. One can always look in them into in a book. उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे तो डेट लर्न करने इसलिए नहीं पसंद है क्योंकि उसे तो आप बुक में देख सकते हो. Mr. Braun was speechless for a few moments. Means he was shocked. He was appalled. वो एक मिनट के लिए एकदम शॉक थे. You amaze me. Don't you realize that one can always look most things up in book? That applies to all the facts you learn at school. उसने कहा ये तो सिर्फ हिस्ट्री के लिए नहीं है. Everything you can look into the book. उसने कहा yes sir. Then I suppose you don't see any point in learning facts. उसने कहा frankly sir I don't. Then you don't believe in education at all. Means तुम्हें पढ़ाई में यहाँ पर he wanted to say that through the education, through the studies, we are providing you the education. He said, yes, sir, I do. I don't think learning fact is education. This is what he said. That you cannot call learning the facts as education. Education is something different. तो टीचर को गुस्सा आ गया. The teacher said in that case, perhaps you will be so kind as to tell Einstein the theory of education. तो बता दो तुम ही तुम्हारे हिसाब से एजुकेशन को किसको कहते हैं. अल्बर्ट फ्लश्ड. थोड़ा एम्बैरेस्ड हो गए. I think it's not facts that matter, but ideas. आप जो फैक्चुअल फिगर है ये कब हुआ था क्या ये तो इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर. I don't see the point in learning the dates of battles or even which of the army killed more men. But I would be more interested in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other rather than the fact we need to find out the cause. Now, Mr. Braun was very angry. His eyes were cold and cruel. We don't want a lecture from you, Einstein. You will stay in for an extra period today. Although I don't imagine it will you do much good, it won't do the school any good either. You are a disgrace. I don't know why you continue to come. अब सर को इतना गुस्सा आया और वहाँ पर जो उनका तरीका था that they used to normally अभी एक आपका चैप्टर और आएगा उसमें भी same you will find this kind of punishment that when the teachers are angry they would not punish them in the physical way but they would ask them to stay back do some extra work. तो उसने कहा कि as a punishment you have to stay back जबकि I know that that is not going to help you out neither it is going to help the school. And in fact, he said, why do you come to the school? It's not my wish. Because he was also forced from his father. Then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. Instead of the teacher was expecting an apology, वो एक sorry expect कर रहे थे. But instead of being apologetic, he said that even I don't want to come to the school. Albert felt miserable when he left school that afternoon. Not that it had been a bad day, most days were bad now. What is the meaning of this? Most days were bad now. This is means most of the time he would be scolded for one thing or the other. He usually had argument with his teachers. He usually had arguments with his teacher and that is why he always was scolded. But he had to go back to the hateful place the next morning. He only wished his father would take him away. But there was no point in even asking. Father से तो पूछना भी मुश्किल था. He knew what the answer would. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. Diploma is that जैसे हमारे यहाँ 10th के बाद बोर्ड्स का होता है, वैसे 8th दे हैव द डिप्लोमा, दे वो उसको लेना था. Going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. Lodging मतलब जहाँ वो रहते थे. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarters of Munich. Munich is in, अब बहुत ही, it's a kind of slum where he was written. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort and even the dirt and squalor. मतलब वहाँ गंदगी थी, कंफर्ट नहीं था, खाना भी अच्छा नहीं था. बट he hated the atmosphere of the slum violence. His landlady beat her children regularly, and every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. Means this kind of domestic violence or the kind of slum violence was very rampant there. वो उसको बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था. बट अब उसने ये बात अपने फ्रेंड को बताया. He conveyed his feelings to his friend Yuri. But at least you have a room of your own, which is more than I can say, said Yuri. तुम्हारे पास अपना कमरा तो है. When he called round in the evening. But Albert ने कहा, at least you live among civilized human beings, even if they all are poor students. लेकिन तुम तो, यूरी यूज टू स्टे इन द स्टूडेंट्स क्वार्टर, तो उसने कहा तुम कम से कम बच्चों के साथ तो रहते हो. और वो लोग सब, मतलब एल्बर्ट का मानना था कि स्टूडेंट्स आर सिविलाइज्ड. They are not at all civilized. Did not you hear that one of them was killed last week in a duel? Duel मतलब fight. और बच्चे तो normally they don't fight. And what happens to the one who killed him? Albert was very innocent, naive. You can say that he was very naive. He didn't know. कहते जो मार देता उनके साथ क्या होता है? Nothing. He's even proud of it. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इनफैक्ट उसको इस बात का गुस्सा है कि उसे और वो लड़ नहीं सकता. He is upset about this because he hasn't a single scar on his face to wear for the rest of his life as a badge of honor. The badge of honor here is a metaphor. Normally वो जो गुंडे टाइप बच्चे होते थे, they used to feel happy that उनके चेहरे पर जो है वो चोट का निशान है, जो वो बता सकते हैं कि हमने देखो कि इसको उसको मारा था ना तब लगा था ये. That they used it, you can say it is also irony. Why? Because when we are wearing a badge of honor, that is because we have done something good. लेकिन यहाँ पर those children, those students felt वो जो scar है, जो चोट लगी है लड़ाई की वजह से, that was a badge of honor. So that's an irony. Oh, and these are the students. मतलब ये स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा करते हैं. He was surprised because for us, for normal people, students का मतलब होता है the one who are very calm and quiet, the one who are very mannered, disciplined. Well, you will be a student one day. यहाँ पर you might be feeling कि what is the meaning of student? Means अभी तो वो लोग छोटे थे. Once they get into the diploma आने के बाद they would be called as a student. वहाँ they have this word that they use. I ducked it, said Albert glumly. I don't think I'll ever pass the exams for the school diploma. मुझे तो नहीं लगता है कि मैं कभी एग्जाम पास करूंगा. Next, he told his cousin Elsa. The same next time when she came to Munich. Normally she lived in Berlin where her father had a business. Berlin is the capital of Germany. वहाँ रहती थी वो. I'm sure you could learn enough to pass the exams, Albert, if you tried. I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are who get through. तुमसे भी बेवकूफ बच्चे मैंने देखे जो पास हो जाते हैं. They say you don't have to know. दिस वॉज द, ये पेपर में आता है, वॉट वर, सॉरी, एल्सास व्यूज अबाउट एजुकेशन. यहाँ पर दे इज रिलेटिंग टू द authorities. They say you don't have to know anything. You don't have to understand what you are taught. Just be able to repeat it in the exam. These were the views of Elsa. ये एल्सा के व्यूज थे अबाउट एग्जाम्स, अबाउट एजुकेशन, कि आपको पढ़ने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वॉट एवर इज रिटन जस्ट गिव बैक टू देम, दे विल गिव यू मार्क्स. उसमें क्या है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? दैट इज द होल ट्रबल. Now, what does it mean? That's the whole trouble. He says he is not able to learn. He is not the one who could just mug up. चीज़ों को वो mugging नहीं कर सकता था. I'm no good at learning things by heart. मैं रट नहीं सकता हूँ. You don't need to be good at it. Anyone can learn like a parrot. तुम्हें तो रट्टू तोता बनना है. रटो बस. You just don't try. And yet I always see you with a book under your arm. What is that one you are reading? अब एल्सा ने पूछा, तुम्हें पढ़ना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता तो तुम्हारे पास हमेशा एक बुक क्यों रहती है? A book on geology. Oh, rocks and things. Do you learn that? No, we have hardly any science at school. स्कूल में ये नहीं पढ़ाते हैं, वो उसका इंटरेस्ट था. That was his extra interest. Then why are you studying it? Because I like it. Isn't that a good enough reason? Elsa sighed. You are right, of course, Albert, but it won't help with your diploma. वो तो सही है, लेकिन इसको पढ़ने से तुम्हें तुम्हारा डिप्लोमा थोड़ी मिल जाएगा. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music. मतलब he was good in maths, good at maths, science, and of course he was an amateur violin player. मतलब reality में Albert was an amateur. What is the meaning of amateur? A person who plays for self, not professional. मतलब जो अपने लिए कुछ काम करता है उसको हम amateur बोलते हैं. He played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. Normally उसको अच्छा लगता था. That wailing मतलब शोर, sharp sound gets on my nerves. That there is enough noise in this house with all the kids howling. बच्चे ऑलरेडी इतना शोर मचा रहे हैं, तुम उसको क्यों और शोर मचा रहे हो? मतलब द लैंड लेडी वुड ऑफन डिसवेड हिम फॉर नॉट फॉर प्लेइंग द वायलिन. Albert was tempted to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl, but he decided it was better to say nothing. मतलब मन ही मन में होता है ना, वो एक अंदर एक लड्डू फूट रहा होता है, तो वो मन ही मन में सोचता था कि भाई आंटी मैं नहीं शोर मचाता हूँ, आपके बच्चे शोर नहीं मचाते, आप उन शोर मचाते हो. आप उनको शोर मचाने के लिए जो हो उनको चिल्लाने पे मजबूर करते हो. बट ही नेवर सेड दैट. दिस शोज ही वॉज वेरी पोलाइट. आई मस्ट गेट अवे फ्रॉम हियर, he told Yuri after 6 months alone in Munich. उसने नेक्स्ट टाइम जब वो मिला तो उसने कहा मुझे यहाँ से जाना है. It's absurd that I should go on like this. Means it's rather stupidity कि मैं बिना इंटरेस्ट के यहाँ पढ़ रहा हूँ. In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. It will be better for all if I stop now. जब मैं 6 महीने बाद फेल हो जाऊंगा, when I would fail, then everyone would think that I had wasted my father's money. ऐसी पढ़ाई का क्या फ़ायदा? तो यूरी ने कहा, then what will you do? I don't know if I go to Milan. Milan is in Italy. I'm afraid my father will send me back. अगर मैं मिलान जाता हूँ तो मेरे पापा मुझे वापस भेज देंगे. His eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. तभी उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. यूरी, डू यू नो एनी फ्रेंडली डॉक्टर्स? आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स एंड सम ऑफ देम आर फ्रेंडली. हाँ, मैं डॉक्टर्स को नहीं जानता हूँ, बट दोज हु आर स्टडिंग इन मेडिसिन मैं उनको जानता हूँ. डॉक्टर नो, आई हैव नेवर हैड इनफ मनी टू गो टू वन. डॉक्टर्स को मैं नहीं जानता, मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है. तो उसने कहा क्यों? सपोज दैट आई हैड अ नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन. Suppose a doctor would say it is bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from. मतलब सोचो, अगर डॉक्टर मुझे ये सर्टिफिकेट दे दे that I have a nervous problem and that's I cannot cope up with the studies, तो क्या होगा? तो यूरी ने कहा, आई कांट इमेजिन अ डॉक्टर सेइंग दैट. पर डॉक्टर क्यों कहेगा? आई मस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड अ डॉक्टर हु स्पेशलाइजेज इन नर्व्स. देर आर plenty of them. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly, मतलब थोड़ा आनाकानी करते हुए, I'll ask some of the students if they know one if you like. उसने कहा मैं पूछता हूँ. Will you? Why he was? Yuri थोड़ा सा reluctant था. He was apprehensive. Should he help him in this way? Oh, will you? Oh, thank you. Wait a moment. I haven't found one yet. उसने कहा थैंक यू. तो उसने कहा अभी थैंक्स मत कहो, अभी नहीं मिला. उसने कहा तुम, मुझे पता है यू विल, बट इफ आई डोंट नो इफ ही विल बी विलिंग टू हेल्प यू. उसने कहा मुझे ये नहीं पता कि मेरा जो दोस्त है वो तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा या नहीं करेगा. ही विल. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ रियल नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन टू मेक इट ईजियर फॉर हिम. और उसने जोर जोर से हंसते हुए बोला, मैं ऐसा एक्ट करूंगा, ऐसा करूंगा कि उसे लगेगा मुझे सचमुच का नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन है. आई हैव नेवर सीन यू लुकिंग लेस नर्वस, रिमार्क. A day or two at school will soon put that right. I have never seen you looking less nervous. मैंने तो तुम्हें वैसे भी नर्वस ही देखा. A day or two at school will put that right. और मैं 2-3 दिन स्कूल जाऊंगा ना, अपने आप ही नर्वसनेस मुझे मेरे अंदर आ जाएगी. टेंशन मत. Certainly he had lost his high spirit. He had lost his high spirits, मतलब जो वो पहले मेरीली बहुत हंसमुख था. He used to be jovial. Now he was depressed. He had lost his high spirits, मतलब जो उसके अंदर एक स्माइलिंग फेस रहता था, that was not there. When Yuri saw him next, I can't stand it any longer. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. उसने कहा मुझे तो नहीं लगता है, मैं अब ज़्यादा I can't stand it any longer means I can't study in this school. और मुझे लगता है मुझे सचमुच में नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएगा. Keep it up then. I have found a doctor for you. यूरी ने मजाक करते हुए उसको बोला, ओके अच्छा है तुम्हें नर्वस हो रहा है, मुझे एक डॉक्टर फ्रेंड मिल गया. यू हैव? ओ गुड, व्हेन कैन आई सी? आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर यू फॉर टुमारो इवनिंग. Here is the address. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Dr. Ernest Well. Is he a specialist in nervous troubles? उसने कहा कि ये जो डॉक्टर है ये नर्व्स को देखता है. Not exactly. As a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. You may be even his first patient. मतलब अभी अभी वो पढ़ लिख कर आया है. He has just opened his clinic. तो मे बी तुम उसके पहले पेशेंट भी हो सकते हो. You knew him as a student then. मतलब that means तुम उसको जो हो as a student जानते हो, not as a doctor. Means the one who was not treating you, but he was your friend. I know, I have known Ernest for years. He is not a fool. मतलब उसने कहा कि तुम उसको बेवकूफ मत बनाना, झूठे मूठे. What do you mean? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. means do not try to fool him. Don't try to cheat him. उसको बुद्धू मत बनाना, उसको बेवकूफ मत बनाना. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. वो चीज मत दिखाने की कोशिश करना जो नहीं है. Means don't try to act as if you have got a nervous breakdown. Not that you deceive anyone, you are the world's worst liar. यहाँ पर उसने कहा मुझे पता है तुम किसी को चीट नहीं करते हो, बट तुम एक नंबर के झूठे हो. This he spoke in a friendly and mocking tone. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. क्वेश्चन आता है कि why was Albert nervous? Because he had never spoken light to anyone. He had always been abrupt. He had always been frank. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. वो सोच सोच के कि मैं डॉक्टर को क्या बोलूँगा, कैसे बोलूँगा, उसको टेंशन हो रही थी. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Miss Dr. Vale. उसने कहा, don't try. Smile करते हुए, with a friendly smile. Yuri had already given me a history of the case. Yuri तुम्हारे बारे में बता चुका. Oh, what did he say? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say you must not go back to that school. उसने हंसते हंसते बता दिया कि वो यही चाहता है कि मैं ये समझूं कि तुम्हें नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है और तुम स्कूल वापस नहीं जाना चाहते, तो आई नीड टू गिव यू अ सर्टिफिकेट. ओ डियर, अल्बर्ट्स फेस फेल. फेस फेल मतलब उसका मुंह छोटा हो गया. ही श्रिवल्ड. ही वॉज एम्बेरस्ड. ही शुडंट हैव टोल्ड यू दैट. उसे लगा कि उसकी बेइज्जती हो गई. ही वॉज एम्बेरस्ड. Yes, why not? Isn't it true then? Yes, that is the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you'll tell me to go back to school. तो उसने कहा परेशानी तो वही है. I don't want to go to the school. But as a doctor तुम तो यही बोलोगे मुझे कि स्कूल जाओ. Don't be too sure of that. इतनी जल्दी don't be too sure of that. मतलब don't be judgmental. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. उसने कहा डोंट बी जजमेंटल अबाउट मी. मैं जानता हूँ कि दैट यू डोंट लाइक दैट स्कूल, बट आई हैवंट टोल्ड यू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. हाउ कैन यू नो दैट? बट मैंने तो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बोला. बिकॉज यू वुडेंट हैव कम टू सी मी अबाउट दिस इफ यू हैडंट बीन प्रेटी क्लोज टू अ नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन. लेकिन मैं इतना तो समझ सकता हूँ कि अगर कोई बच्चे को ज़्यादा परेशानी है, he or she isn't interested. That is why he or she would contact a doctor. That's why, said the doctor briskly. If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what will you do? अब उसने कहा कि अगर मान लो मैं तुमको सर्टिफिकेट दे देता हूँ, if I give you the certificate, then what you will do? I'll go to Italy, to Milan where my parents are. And what will you do there? I'll try to get into an Italian college or institute. उसने कहा मैं वहाँ पर किसी इटालियन कॉलेज या इंस्टीट्यूट में ले लूँगा. बट हाउ कैन यू विदाउट अ डिप्लोमा? I'll ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work, and perhaps that will be enough. I have learned all the maths they teach at school and a bit more. He added when Dr. Whale looked doubtful, क्योंकि डॉक्टर वेल को लग रहा था कि बिना सर्टिफिकेट के कोई बच्चा आगे जाकर एडमिशन कैसे लेगा। लेकिन उसने कहा कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे मेरे मैथ्स की टीचर जो है वो दे देंगे, मैं उसी में उससे रिलेटेड कुछ पढ़ लूँगा। वेल, इट इज़ अप टू यू, आई डाउट इफ इट विल कम ऑफ, बट आई कैन सी यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर सेल्फ और एनी वन एल्स मच गुड बाय स्टेइंग हियर। देखो, आई डाउट इफ इट विल कम, मतलब उसने कहा मुझे नहीं पता कि ये काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा ये ट्रिक, बट एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ रहने का भी कोई फायदा नहीं रहेगा। हाउ लॉन्ग वुड यू लाइक टू मी टू से यू शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम स्कूल, वुड 6 months बी ऑल राइट? उसने कहा कितने दिन का मैं आपको मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दूँ? उसने कहा 6 months बहुत है। उसने कहा दैट्स वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू, इट्स नथिंग, आई हैव ओनली जस्ट स्टॉप बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट माई सेल्फ। उसने कहा इसमें कोई बुरी बुरी बात नहीं, आई वॉज ऑल्सो अ स्टूडेंट, सो आई नो हाउ यू फील, हेयर यू आर। हेयर यू आर मतलब ये लो तुम अपना सर्टिफिकेट। ही हैंडेड हिम द सर्टिफिकेट एंड wished him luck. How much? Nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. He is a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. उसने कहा बस एक पार्टी हो जाए। Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. उसने जो है उसको सपर पे यानी कि डिनर पर खाने के लिए ले गया। Is it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. So बड़ा खुश हुआ वो। Yes, it is fine. 6 months is a good period. This way, you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst come to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. उसने कहा हाँ, 6 months का अगर मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट है तो इट विल हेल्प, ये तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा, क्योंकि बाय चांस उसे वापस आना पड़ रहा है तो भी मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट है, तो ही हैज़ नॉट बीन एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द स्कूल। I'll never go back to that place. I'm going to take the certificate to the head teacher tomorrow and that will be the end of it. और बस इसके साथ मैं स्कूल छोड़कर चला जाऊंगा। Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first. यूरी ने उसको साथ में ये भी बोला अपने मैथ्स की टीचर से लिखवा लेना। मिस्टर कॉक, दैट्स his maths teacher. There is a question, compare and contrast the characters of Mr. Braun and Mr. Cock. So he is his maths teacher. He willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. If I say I can't teach you more, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? उसने कहा कि मैं अगर ये लिख दूं कि मैं अब तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ा सकता हूँ, तुम हमें पढ़ा दोगे, तो उसको थोड़ी एम्बेरसमेंट हुई। दैट सेइंग टू मच सर, इट इज़ ओनली द ट्रूथ, बट ऑल राइट, आई पुट इट मोर सीरियसली। सच तो यही है, मैं उसको दूसरे तरीके से लिखूंगा। It was still a glowing reference, and Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. That day, I had told you that there are certain areas in abroad जहाँ पर you can take a certificate from your teachers and that would help you out in your career also. So he gave him, I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class. सर ने कहा मैं जानता हूँ तुम मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हो, लेकिन फिर तुम यहाँ रहकर तो तुम वेस्ट ही कर रहे हो। It is almost the only class where I'm not wasting my time. But how did you come? I'm leaving, sir. तो उसने कहा कि सर वैसे तो आपका ही एक क्लास है जहाँ मेरे को सबसे अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आपको कैसे पता है? भाई जब वो टीचर से सर्टिफिकेट मांग रहा है तो टीचर को तो पता ही होगा. You would not have asked me for this reference otherwise. I thought you would wonder. There is nothing to wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. मुझे पता था ये दिन आएगा. Albert was puzzled. क्यों? क्योंकि teachers already there had been a meeting. The principal, the other teachers had been complaining about him. So this kind of news might have reached the teacher. पहले ही पता लग गया होगा. What did the teacher mean? He soon found out. Before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, he was summoned to the head's room. वो तो सोच रहा था कि जाकर मुझे जो है टीचर से परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा, लेकिन उससे पहले उसे बुलावा आ गया. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside. अब उसे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि चलो मुझे 1-2 घंटे टीचर से वेट कर. नॉर्मली इट यू नीड टाइम, यू नीड परमिशन टू मीट योर प्रिंसिपल. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. But vaguely मतलब without any thought, supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. Well, he had finished with punishments. अब उसको इस बात की बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं थी कि उसे क्यों भेजा जा रहा है, क्यों बुलाया जा रहा है, क्योंकि अब वो he had finished off. I'm going to punish you, said the teacher to Albert. Your work is terrible. I'm not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now. अब एल्बर्ट जैसे लाइक अ प्रेटी स्मॉल बॉय, मतलब बच्चे की तरह उसने जो है ही जस्ट गेव अ डेजिंग लुक. लीव स्कूल नाउ? दैट इज व्हाट यू मीन? आई एम टू बी एक्सपेल्ड? आप मुझे स्कूल से निकाल रहे हो? You can take it that way if you wish, Einstein. The head teacher was not mincing words. Mincing matlab he was clear. Mincing words matlab he was not mixing the words. He was clear. वो अपनी बात में बिल्कुल clear था, clarity थी. The simplest thing will be for you to go on your own accord and then the question won't arise. उसने कहा तुम अपने आप चले जाओ तो कोई question नहीं आएगा. But what crime have I committed? Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for other pupils to learn. You refuse to learn, you are in constant rebellion, and no serious work can be done while you are there. अब उसने कहा कि टीचर्स जो हैं तुम्हारे प्रेजेंस में ना तो पढ़ा पाते हैं और ना ही बाकी बच्चे, क्योंकि तुम हमेशा आर्ग्यू करते हो. यू रिफ्यूज टू लर्न, और तुम्हारे प्रेजेंस में टीचर्स पढ़ा नहीं पाते. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning in his pocket. This comes in the paper. That why did he have that feeling? That is because he had spent a good amount in giving a treat to Yuri, and that now he was freely expelled. उसे लग रहा था मैंने तो खामा खा पैसा खर्च किया, मुझे तो यहाँ मुफ्त में निकाल दिया गया. I was going to leave anyway. उसने कहा मैं तो वैसे भी छोड़ने वाला था. Then we are in agreement at least. आइंस्टीन अब कहा ठीक है, ये तो डील हो गई. तुम छोड़ना चाहते थे, हम तुम्हें निकालना चाहते हैं, बस जाओ. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of his school. Then he stopped himself without another word, holding his head high. He stopped. वो बताना चाहता था कि वो स्कूल के बारे में कितना बुरा सोचता है, उस टीचर्स के बारे में या फिर उस प्रिंसिपल के बारे में. लेकिन बाद में उसको लगा कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, तो जस्ट ही अपना सर ऊंचा करके, होल्डिंग हिज हेड हाई, मतलब विथ फुल प्राइड, ही स्टॉक्ड आउट, बाहर निकल के चला गया. शट द डोर आफ्टर यू, शाउटेड द हेड. उनका दरवाजा बंद करो. एल्बर्ट इग्नोर्ड इट. He walked straight on, out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years, without turning his head to give it a last look. मतलब he did not even want to see that school. उसके लिए वो school इतना terrible था that he did not want even to look back at. He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye. उसकी यादों में कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं था जिसके साथ वो इस चीज को शेयर करना चाहता था. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich he felt like seeing. Before he left the town, he had come to hate almost as much as the school. सिर्फ स्कूल को ही नहीं, वो जर्मनी को भी नापसंद करता था. Elsa was back in Berlin and he had no other real friends. उसके दो ही friends थे, Yuri and Elsa. So when he met Yuri, goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. You are going to a wonderful country. I hope you will be happier there. He just bid goodbye and he said that you are going to make nice of you. So that's a chapter, Albert Einstein at school. As I told you that day, that there are certain questions which normally comes from this chapter, like what do you understand of Einstein's nature from his conversation with his history teacher, his maths teacher, and his head teacher? History teacher के साथ तो he was a rebel. He did not like learning the facts, but with his maths teacher he had utmost respect because he was entrusted, and his with his head teacher again he was bit annoyed. The second is the school system often curbs individual talents. This is what I said. That हमारा system हमको क्या कहता है? It doesn't know, it doesn't differentiate among different students. जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, घोड़ा और गधा सब एक जैसा. Everyone has to learn the same facts, everyone has to quote the same thing, everyone has to give it in the same way. Individually, every child has his or her own way. As जैसे उस दिन मैंने आपको इंग्लिश का बताया था कि there are incidents when a child might give something creatively, but system क्या कहता है? No, no, जो हमारे पास में whatever the scheme we have, you have to answer it in the same manner. हाँ, you shouldn't distort the figures. I understand. You shouldn't distort the historical facts. But presentation हमारी अपनी होती है. But that is what the system of education doesn't understand. एक बच्चे का presentation might be something else. Like when we say drawing, we have Raja Ravi Verma, we have M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain का जो drawing है, it is said to be one of the modern drawing. राजा रवि वर्मा की जो पेंटिंग्स हैं, दे आर मोर ऑन टू द पोर्ट्रेट्स. दोनों अपने आप में अच्छे हैं. So how can we say that two children who are presenting ideas in a different manner are different? But that is what the education system says. How do you distinguish between information gathering and insight formation? Information gathering मतलब जो already आपके पास facts हैं, you are just gathering them and putting them and giving them. And insight formation is the cause, the effect, the theories. जैसे एल्बर्ट ने कहा that instead of information gathering we must have the insight formation of any book, of any event, of any theory. But that is what where the difference is. what we call as. We normally go for information gathering. All जो है उसको information है gather करके दो. And insight formation is where you are putting your own creativity, your own head. That is the difference. So these are the three questions which are very important from the examination point of view. But of course, we will be having more questions also.